Okay. Sell it all.
Okay, enough with the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 scenarios on the charts and then doing trade possibilities at the end like usual. So starting on the 4-hourly time frame, we are still in this corrective structure, this WXY. Inside this WXY, in the Y wave, we have a standard A, then a B, and a C to the downside that is still to come. At the moment, we're tracking this B wave up, and in this B wave, we are tracking another WXY. So WXY is just a general standard 3-wave structure. So if we count 3 waves in W, 3 waves in X, and now 3 waves in Y. This is just the standard WXY correction called a double zigzag. ABC, X, and then A, B, C again. So now we are currently in this Y wave in an A B, and a C to the upside. The C target has already been hit. If we go to the hourly time frame, we can see this. The C target's already been hit, and we are now looking at to move downwards. But at the moment, I can see price slightly wanting to extend. If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 5th wave should be over relatively soon. But if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that wants to extend the C wave, something like this, that can also possibly happen. So just do keep an eye out on the structure to the downside, as we could get multiple 4, 5, 4, 5s on the chart. So the target for the C wave has already been hit, but the target for the Y wave is still sitting above us at 68,526. On the chart, this is the 1-to-1 ratio from the low of the W to the low of the X. So if I measure it here, you can see from low of W to high of W to the low of X, we have that 1-to-1 sitting at that level there. So that is the target for this B wave. Following the B wave, we should get impulsive structures to the downside. A move such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking the low of this A wave here. That would be the standard correction in this Y wave, as this needs to be an A, B, C. So that is what we would be looking for on our main scenario. But then for the second scenario on the chart, we have a diagonal towards the upside. This means on the 4-hourly time frame, we would have a WXY that is finished. We're now looking for either impulsive structures to the upside or a diagonal where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a 2, and then that 3 that blasts off. So that would be the move on the diagonal. To explain a diagonal, if we go to our Elliott Wave education page, a leading contracting diagonal is a 5-wave structure with 3-wave subdivisions in each wave here, where wave 1 and wave 4 do indeed overlap in price. So if we look here, we can see this occurring here: 1 in 3 waves, 2 in 3 waves, 3 in 3 waves, 4 should overlap between 1, and then we should see the 5th wave up. That would be the diagonal. If we zoom into the diagonal, we can see here this 3rd wave being an A, B, and a C. This ABC cannot touch the 1-to-1 at $68,937, as wave 1 has to be the longest wave on the chart. So this would be the length of wave 1, and it cannot touch this here, this move here. So that would be the ABC. At the moment in the C wave, we track multiple 1-2 setups, a triple 1-2, which is indeed bullish. So a 1, if we see here, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what we'd be looking at here. So the purple 1, 2 is our main count here. It has currently reached the target for the wave C, but on the chart. As I said, remember the wave Y can extend, as we could have multiple 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5s, and just a grinding towards the upside, creating lots of bearish CVD divergences, and then a move to the downside would follow. So that is the leading diagonal scenario, and we would then wait for this wave 4, 5, and then back down. Then now for the third scenario on the chart, we are in this A, B, C, which is unfinished. Inside this wave B, we have a WX, Y in a form of a flat. Then we are now looking at this ABC inside this wave W, an A B, and a C. Inside this wave C, we then see a 1, 2, 3, possible 4 being made, and a 5. 4 over the weekend is definitely possible. The target for this wave C is the 1-to-1 ratio at $68,845. But the issue with this is that this W, it looks to me like an impulsive structure. Remember, W has to be an ABC. So if we do count an A, B, and a very extended C, it is possible, but this W looks very impulsive to me, and that's why I wouldn't take this as the main scenario on the chart. But now looking at the bullish Elliott Wave channel, we see the Elliott Wave channel has been used multiple times for support and resistance on the chart. Support many times towards the bottom and the middle line, and resistance towards the top area of the range. So price did indeed touch the middle line twice, but I do expect price to come down to the low of this here, taking this low and touching the bottom line of this channel here before blasting off in that finished third wave, followed by a 4 and then a 5 for the bull market high. Now, for trade possibilities starting on the 4-hourly time frame, I would take a short from the high of wave B on this 4-hourly time frame. Actually, the trade for 15-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour remains the same like it did the last video. So I would take a short from this region here. A short in this area would be targeting that wave C towards the bottom. That wave C could be a move going down towards that $48,000 to $45,000 level. So that would be a good move on every single time frame at the moment. You can start positioning shorts right now and into as we extend into those 4 5s as talked before, and then wait for price to move down, trading it on the 15-minute, 1-hour, or 4-hour, however you like to trade it. But thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord, where we have multiple Elliott Wave education pages and a Bitcoin analysis video page where we post analysis every single day before the YouTube. But thank you so much for watching. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.